Hello everyone. So today we will be checking how to replace the air filter in the furnace. So as you can see, this is how you open, and this is an air filter of the size of 16 by 24 by 4, and the exact actual size is also mentioned. Sometimes you do not get the actual size, but this approximate figure 16 by 25 by 4 you need to check. And as you can see, this is the direction of the airflow, and the direction of the airflow should be pointed towards your furnace or the AC. You see here, this is the airflow direction, and this is our furnace. And also this is MERV 11. As the MERV size increases, like MERV 12, MERV 13 or MERV 14, as the number increases, the particles that it will be able to filter reduces. So it will be able to filter more and more particles as the number increases. So this is the one, and I am going to remove this. And as you can see, this filter is a little dirty. It has been around 3 months that I have changed the filter before. So it is recommended that you change the air filter every 3 months or every 6 months sometimes, depending on the air filter that you use. The average air filters needs to be changed every 3 months. Now this is the new air filter, and you can see the size approximate is 16 by 25 by 4, and the actual size is a little different than the one that was of the previous air filter. And you need to basically remove this cover, and once you have removed, you need to place it in the air filter compartment like this. Okay, and this is placed, and as you can see, this is the air flow. The direction of the airflow is towards the furnace or the AC. Not here, it does not mention, but you can see on the previous filter it says arrow points towards heating or cooling equipment. So in the similar way, this arrow of the new air filter should points towards the furnace, and this is how you fit the air filter there. And now I'm going to close this. You need to put it in the nozzle, and this is how you change the air filter in your AC or heating equipment. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more content.